Hey guys, Asif here. In this video, I'll show you how you can install the iOS 14 beta profile and enjoy iOS 14 before the actual public release comes out. Now keep in mind that it is a beta version, so it could be a little unstable, so if you ever want to go back to iOS 13, you should definitely create a backup before installing this beta. Okay, so first, let's start off with the list of supported devices for iOS 14 beta. It includes all devices from iPhone 6s all the way to iPhone SE 2. Basically, any device that supports iOS 13 will be upgradable to iOS 14. So before you install the iOS 14 beta profile, what you want to do is create a backup of your data in case you ever want to downgrade to the official iOS version. Because keep in mind, this is a beta profile, so it could be a little unstable and things might not work properly at times. You can back up your iPhone through iCloud, Finder, or iTunes. If you have enough storage in iCloud, then you can back up your data by going to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud, scroll down to iCloud Backup, turn it on if it's not, and then tap Backup Now. This will back up your data to iCloud, so you should be good to go. The other way to back up your data is through a computer. Connect your iPhone to your computer, and if you're on macOS Catalina, go to Finder and click on your device. But if you're on Windows or macOS which is not Catalina, go to iTunes and click on the device button. For this tutorial, I will be using Finder. After clicking on your device, you want to click on Backup all of the data to this Mac. One thing to note here is that if you don't want to lose your passwords, health data, and call history data, you'll need to encrypt the backup, so click on Encrypt Local Backup if you want those data. You will need a password for encrypted backups, so make sure you don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore your encrypted backup. Then click Backup Now. Once your backup is complete, make sure your last backup says Today before moving on. Now that you have your backup, you can install the iOS 14 beta profile. Head over to Safari on your iPhone and go to apple.com/beta or beta.apple.com. Next, you need to sign in or sign up if you haven't already. Once you're in, you need to enroll your device. Then scroll down and tap on Download Profile. Tap Allow, and then go back to your settings. At the top, you will see Profile Downloaded. Tap on it and then press Install. Put your passcode and tap on Install. Tap Install again, then tap Done. Now go over to Software Update and you should be able to see iOS 14 Public Beta 2. Press Download and Install, put your passcode, and that's it. Now just wait for it to download and install. Once it's done, to confirm, just go over to Settings, General, and then About, and you will see that software version is 14.0. Now, for any reason if you want to go back to iOS 13 from the iOS 14 beta, I have a video on that too, so make sure to watch that. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found it useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Have fun with iOS 14, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.